Here we're going to take a look at some lasso tools. Of course, there's really only one real lasso in Illustrator, but whenever you use the selection tools here and you click and drag out a marquee, you are in effect drawing a lasso or some type of selection. So I'm going to talk about both ways to select objects using the Move tool here, as well as the Lasso tool, and why you choose one over the other. Now, let's say that I just want to randomly just grab some of these stars here. That's when I would probably use this tool here, and just click and drag out a selection to grab whatever the marquee touches. So if I click and drag like this, it's going to grab whatever my mouse goes over. And you'll notice that even though this star here is only partially covered, it's still included in my selection. But let's say that I don't want to click on one star, hold down Shift, and manually grab the stars like this because it's taking too long. I can use the Lasso tool instead to quickly grab what I want by clicking and dragging out a selection and going around what I don't want, like so, and then letting go of the mouse. Now, something very interesting that I want you to see here. The objects that I lassoed entirely are surrounded by dark points here. And wherever you see the hollow points is where I did not completely grab with the lasso. And that is really one of the greatest benefits to using this tool. I can select certain points to manipulate. So if I want to resize or somehow change how this star looks, I can just lasso those 2 points, and then I can grab my direct selection tool and then move those points around. Very, very handy. So the Lasso tool allows you to not only select what you want to select, it also allows you to select points that you can manipulate and then move with another tool. So once again, use the selection tool to just randomly grab a bunch of things, or just grab whatever your mouse covers and whatever's covered in this marquee. Or you can choose exactly what you want to select, or select points of an object using the real Lasso tool. And you can also press the keyboard shortcut Q for Lasso. Don't ask me how that comes to Q, by the way, for Lasso, but that's what it is.